Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Uber driver accessories is probably one of the most crucial investments a driver can make to enhance their comfort, efficiency, and overall experience on the road, transforming every shift from a mundane task into a more enjoyable and profitable venture by equipping your vehicle with the right tools and gadgets that not only streamline your operations but also elevate the passenger experience, ensuring you stand out from the competition and maximize your earnings with every trip you take. Number 5. Amooca Car Seat Headrest Hook 4-Pack. Crafted from premium quality material, this organizer is wide and deep enough for all your essentials like purses and backpacks. It can hold up to 55 pounds, ensuring durability and reliability. Effortlessly convert your car's headrest into a convenient storage space. Keep your car interior impeccably clean and organized by hanging groceries, clothes, or toys. This set includes 4 hangers, offering ample storage for various items. From handbags and water bottles to baby supplies, it keeps everything tidy and accessible. The hooks can be rotated 360 degrees, allowing for flexible use. When not in use, they can be discreetly hidden, saving space and maintaining a sleek look. Installation is a breeze with its simple design. No tools are required, and you don't even need to remove the headrest, making setup quick and hassle-free. Rotate the hook to the front or back as needed. Say goodbye to items rolling around on the floor or seat, ensuring a perfectly clean and organized driving experience. What we like. This product is made of premium quality material and can hold up to 55 pounds. It converts your car's headrest into a storage space, helping you keep your car interior clean and organized. If you often find yourself with shopping bags or other items rolling around on your car floor, you should consider this. What people say. The hooks come in a universal design that ensures they fit snugly onto the headrest of any car model. The installation is as simple as it gets, slide them onto the headrest posts, and voila. The S-shaped design not only lends an aesthetic touch but is highly functional, allowing you to hang multiple items without them slipping off. I've hung everything from heavy grocery bags to my work laptop bag, and the hooks show no signs of wear and tear. What's more, they do not interfere with the driver's or passenger's comfort, staying neatly out of sight while doing their job excellently. Their versatility has made them indispensable, not just for me but for the entire family. I've used them to hang umbrellas, kids' backpacks, and even small pieces of sporting equipment. Number 4. LISEN Upgraded Magnetic Car Phone Holder. Tired of your phone holder slipping? Our upgraded hook clip creates 3 gripping points that firmly grasp your air vent blades. It stays put, even on bumpy rides, solving the common problem of phone mounts falling off. Installing your new phone holder is a breeze. Thanks to its unique hook clip design, simply attach it to your car's air outlet and adjust the knob to fit. You'll be set up in no time. Rest assured, this car mount is officially SGS certified for quality and safety. It's rigorously tested for magnetic force, signal integrity, and stability. It fits most smartphones and mini tablets, ensuring broad compatibility. Experience the convenience of magnetic attachment. Simply bring your phone close to the base, and it snaps securely into place. It's designed for easy one-handed use, even while you're driving. For optimal performance, ensure the metal plate is attached directly to your phone or case, not between them. This holder is designed for square air vents and may not be compatible with round vents or specific car models like Mercedes-Benz or Kia EV6. Please note that this magnetic holder is not compatible with MagSafe or iPhones 12 through 16. A metal plate is required for it to function correctly. What we like. This magnetic phone holder features an upgraded hook clip for a secure grip on air vents, ensuring it won't slip off. It's SGS certified for quality and offers effortless one-handed magnetic attachment. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use phone mount that stays put, even on bumpy roads, this is a great choice. What people say. This product is a game-changer for organizing my car. The multiple compartments and adjustable dividers keep everything neat and accessible. The build quality is excellent. It feels very durable and has held up well to daily use. The non-slip base is a great feature, preventing it from sliding around during drives. I love the integrated phone mount. It's sturdy and holds my phone securely, making navigation so much easier and safer. Number 3. Yuoyar Magnetic Leather Sunglass Holder. Our car sunglass holders are designed to fit practically all car types. Simply attach the holder to your car's visor for convenient access. Opening the magnetic flap is simple with just one hand, thanks to our unique fabric handle. You can quickly and conveniently store and retrieve your sunglasses. This car visor accessory is made of high-quality, soft leather that completely envelopes the clip. It ensures your visor and glasses stay protected and scratch-free. We've enhanced the elastic fabric at the end of the holder to accommodate various glasses sizes. It stabilizes your spectacles without causing any damage to the legs. If you have any questions or issues, please don't hesitate to contact us. Our customer support team is always available online to help you find an ideal solution. What we like. This sunglass holder is crafted from high-quality leather with a soft feel, protecting both your glasses and your car's visor. Its magnetic closure and fabric handle allow for simple one-handed operation. If you want a stylish and convenient way to keep your sunglasses accessible without scratching them, this is the perfect accessory. What people say. The magnetic closure is strong enough to hold my sunglasses securely without slipping, even while driving, and it's easy to grab them with one hand. Installation was quick and it blends in nicely without looking bulky or cheap. I also like the added ticket or card clip feature, which is surprisingly handy. The magnetic closure is strong and keeps the glasses securely in place, even while driving on rough roads. It attaches firmly to the sun visor and does not slip or rattle. The soft leather material protects the glasses from scratches, and it's very convenient to access them with one hand. The magnetic hold is firm when closed and yet easy to open. The grip onto the visor is also very firm. Number 2. IIWEY N5 4-channel dash cam. Introducing the IIWEY N5, a revolutionary dash cam that provides a complete 360 degrees view of your surroundings. Capture everything from every angle, ensuring no blind spots. With its advanced 1080p resolution for all 4 channels, this device delivers incredibly clear footage. It even offers a 2.5K option for enhanced detail when you need it most. Equipped with 8 infrared lamps, it offers exceptional night vision. You can drive with confidence knowing that everything is captured clearly, even in complete darkness. Stay connected with its built-in 5G Wi-Fi and user-friendly app. Preview, download, and share your recordings effortlessly directly from your smartphone. This dash cam features a G-sensor and parking mode for continuous protection. It automatically detects impacts and saves crucial footage, ensuring your vehicle is monitored 24/7. Never worry about running out of space. It comes with a free 128GB SD card and supports seamless loop recording, automatically overwriting the oldest files. What we like. This dash cam offers a comprehensive 360 degrees view with 4 1080p channels, covering front, rear, and interior. It features fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi for easy app control and comes with a free 128GB SD card. If you're looking for complete peace of mind and detailed recording of your entire vehicle, this is an excellent option. What people say. The true 360 degrees coverage, front, rear, sides, and interior, captures everything happening around the car. The 170 degrees wide-angle front and rear cameras plus 150 degrees side cameras leave absolutely no blind spots. It has many useful features that other dash cams don't: dual-band Wi-Fi, 8 IR lamps night vision, and it can even work as a backup camera. Both cameras have a great field of view, 360, and produce high video quality day and night. I really like parking monitor and GPS built-in features. The 4-channel view gives great coverage inside and outside the car, and video quality is clear both day and night. The app connects smoothly, and the included 128GB SD card is a nice bonus. Number 1. LISEN 3-in-1 Tablet Holder Back Seat Car Organizer. Turn any car trip into a smooth journey with our versatile tablet holder. It keeps passengers entertained and reduces driver distractions, making every drive more enjoyable for everyone. Keep your children engaged with their favorite videos or educational content. It's designed to be easily operated by kids, ensuring they stay happy and occupied. Our enhanced design provides 3x more stability, securely holding your tablet even on bumpy roads. This ensures your device stays safe and your focus remains on driving. Achieve the ideal screen position with our 3-axis adjustable arm. It rotates and tilts to suit any child's height or seating position, ensuring optimal viewing comfort. Install it in seconds without any tools. It securely holds your tablet, making it ready for entertainment or learning in just moments. Designed to fit most car headrests, it's a perfect companion for family road trips. Please check our compatibility list to ensure a perfect fit for your vehicle. What we like. This tablet holder provides a stable and secure mount for your iPad or tablet in the back seat, perfect for keeping kids entertained on long drives. With 3-axis adjustability and a secure grip, it ensures an optimal viewing angle. If you're planning a road trip with children and need a reliable entertainment solution, this is a must-have. What people say. It fits both phones and iPads, even with bulky Amazon cases, which is a huge plus. I especially love the swivel arm. It lets me easily adjust the screen to watch from the front seats and then push it backwards so the kids can view it comfortably from the back. The headrest mount is sturdy. I hit a pothole that I swear was trying to swallow my car whole, and the iPad didn't budge an inch. The adjustable arm makes it perfect for both my 6-year-old who sits straight as an arrow and my 8-year-old who somehow manages to slouch in 17 different positions during a single car ride. It fits everything from my ancient iPad mini to my newer 11-inch iPad Pro like they were made for each other. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.